Okay, the first thing you need to do is go to google.com and type in Google Developer Console. For me it's there already, so I'll select that, and there are two apps in my console, so I'll select the first one, which is 3D Vegas Megazoi Casino. Click on app release on the left hand side. So I'll click on edit release and upload APK. Browse files, and then this is the APK I'm trying to upload, so click on open, and it's going to take some time. So it's being processed at the moment, and if everything goes well, so this is the new version of the app. It comes up with new file size, so I'll save it as draft for now. In the next lecture I'll show you how to transfer the app to the buyer. Thank you.